If you're thinking about buying a Mercedes, stop. Because that three-pointed star, it can mean 20 years of legendary driving or a 5-figure repair bill every single year. Not all Benzes are created equal. Some are timeless machines. Others, beautiful financial disasters. Today, no fluff, just straight truth. 3 Mercedes models you should avoid like the plague. 4 classic Mercedes you can buy with confidence. Let's start with the money pits. The avoid list. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz ML Class. This SUV nearly broke Mercedes' reputation. Balance shaft failures, timing chain issues, air suspension problems, electrical nightmares. And they don't fail one at a time, they take turns. Repairs regularly hit 5 figures. Some owners have spent more fixing it than the car is worth. See one for sale cheap? Now you know why. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz S Class. When new, a technological masterpiece. Today, a rolling engineering experiment. Airmatic suspension, ABC active body control, complicated V8 engines. One failure leads to another. Annual maintenance can easily cross $10,000. Luxury for your ego, pain for your wallet. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz CLS. Arguably one of the best-looking sedans ever made. But reliability? Not its strong suit. Air suspension around 50,000 miles. Timing chain tensioners. Turbo electronics. Driving it feels amazing. Owning it feels stressful. Now, let's talk about the heroes. The smart buys. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz W221. This isn't just a car, it's an industrial legend. Diesel engines that go 500,000 miles. Simple, overbuilt engineering. Mechanical toughness you don't see anymore. Modern Mercedes still lives in its shadow. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Built like a tank. Engineered for decades. No experimental tech. No unnecessary complexity. Just mature, proven engineering. Many are still running strong 30 years later. That says everything. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. One of the last truly solid modern Benzes. Naturally aspirated V6, 7-speed automatic. Real luxury without constant drama. 200,000 plus miles? Completely normal with maintenance. Number 4. Older, simple Mercedes-Benz S Class. Keep it simple. Avoid overcomplicated options. Do that and you get true flagship comfort without flagship repair bills. Final truth. Mercedes doesn't build bad cars. They build complex cars. And complexity is expensive when it ages. Do your research. Check the engine code. Know the generation. Because the right Benz is a lifelong companion. The wrong one is a subscription to your mechanic. If this saved you from a financial mistake, hit that like button, comment your dream Mercedes below, and subscribe for more real-world car advice.